company is SFERE ELECTRIC. We are focusing on the digital transformation products. So we have a wide range of the products from the electrical components, power monitoring solution, power quality solutions, and electro safety solutions, software platforms. We provide a wide range of power distribution solutions from the end user side to the grid side. So the theme of the Hannover Messe is a digital transformation. So we will try to bring our innovative solutions, which is related to the digital power digitalizations, EV chargers, energy storage. So this is we bring our relative solution to this fair. So we have a wide range of the application. So for example, the industry ranging from the industry enterprise to the smart buildings, to the rail transit, to the data center, telecoms. We have a wide range of the applications. So we are focusing on providing the innovative solution to these industries. Our products is innovative, so we can have, let's say, the ranging from the IoT to the cloud computing, which is hot topics, especially which is catered to the topics of the Hannover Messe. So this is the values that we bring to our customers. We have a strong R&D strength. We provide the cost-effective and high-efficiency products to our customers. This makes us outstanding and different on the market. DirectIndustry is a global player in the energy sectors and an expert has very good expertise in these sectors. So as ELECNOVA, we are more than happy to work with DirectIndustry.